to the presentation OTHM 11-3 Foundation Diploma for Higher Education Studies D6173716 Subjects Foundation Computing, presented by Tahsin Chaudhary, registration ID 220307023. 2.1 Identify internal components of a central processing unit CPU. Memory unit. A memory unit is the amount of data that the memory can hold. Moreover, there are different units of memory as far as requirement. Control unit. The control unit controls and monitors communications between the hardware attack head to the computer. It controls the input on output of data. Check data signals have been delivered successfully and marks. Make sure that data goes to the correct place at the correct time. Arithmetic and logic unit. Arithmetic logic unit is a digital correct equate is to perform arithmetic and logic operations. It represents the fundamental building block and of the central processing unit of a computer. Input and output unit. Input unit means all input device which are used from inserting instructions from user said such a keyboard, mouse, touchpad and more. Output unit means all output device which are product. The result is the text for graphic from after processing the integer that are given by user. 2.2 Explain the function of a CPU. Fetch. Each instruction is sorted in memory and has its own address. The processor takes this address number from the program center, which is responsible for tracking which instruction of CPU sound execute next. Record. All programs to be executed are translated into assembly instruction. Execute. While executing instruction, the CPU can do one of their things: do calculation, which is its allow move data from one memory location to another, or jump off to a different address. Storage. The CPU must give feedback after executing an instruction, and the output data is written to the memory. A function of a CPU diagram. And 2.3 How computer hardware components work together. A computer is machine composed of hardware and software components. A computer receives data together through an input unit. Beside on the instruction it is given, and after it processing the data, it sends it back through on output device. The input device of a computer can depend on the type of computer we are dealing with, but most topically we will find a mouse, keyboard, scanner and even application installed on the computer. 2.4 Identify different types of storage media and explain the use of each with reference to the purpose. External HDDs and SDDs. Those generally offer the largest storage capacity among external opponents, with external HDDs offering up to 20 TB of storage and external SSDs offering up to 8 TB of storage. External HDDs and SSDs work in the excepts flash memory device. We maintained flash memory earlier when discussing SSDs. A flash memory device contains trillion of inter-contented connected flash memory cells that store data. Optical storage device CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray devices are used for a lot more than playing music and videos. They also act and storage device. Collectively, are they are known as optical storage device or optical media. Types of storage media diagram and 3.1 explain how data is represented in computer system. Computer represent data is sets of binary digits. The representation of composed of bits which in turn or group it into large large sets such as bytes. A binary digit or bit is the smallest unit of data in computing. It is represented by a 0 or a 1. All software, music, documents, and any other information that is processed by a computer is also stored using binary. 3.2 explain how encryption can be used to represent data. Data encryption is a security method where information is encoded and can only be accessed or decrypted by a use with the correct encryption key. Data encryption is used to deter malicious or negligent parties from accessing sensitive data. An important line of defense in cyber security is architecture. Encryption makes using intercepted data is difficult as possible. 3.3 describe how images and sounds are represented computer system. Representing image. The storage is an image on a computer. The image is broken down into tiny elements called pixel. A pixel represented one color. An image with a resolution of 1024 by 798 pixel has 1024 798 pixel. Representing sound. Sound travels in waves. If you talk and I listen, your mouth makes sound waves, and many are senses and sound waves coming from your mouth. And I hear what you are saying too. transmitting saying to transmitting sound over a larger distance or store it a string strings decor is used to transform the sound wave into a article from 3.4 explain how compression can aid the storage of data image or sounds. The purpose of compressions is to make a file manages messages or any other chunk of chunk of data is similar data compressions can significantly describe decreases the amount of storage space a file takes up. We if we had a 10 MB file and 3.5 describe the purpose of logic gates. A logic gate is a device that acts as a building block or digital circuits. They perform basic logical functions that are fundamental or digital criteria. Then logic gates are used as building blocks or digital electronics hardware. Logic gates are used in the construction of small computer. Logic gates are used for decision making. It is used in constructing alarm. 4.1 describe the purpose different types of computer work network. LAN when LAN computer resource link hard disks DVD-ROM and printers can share local or area network and when help to cover a larger graphical area. Therefore, business offices instituted at longer distance can easily communicate. This is a diagram. 4.2 server and clients network in 4.1 describe the hardware software and transmission media used a computer network server clients network operating system diagram. 4.3 identify a range of World Wide Web technology HTML URL. 4.4 describe the purpose of different types of computer network topology, bus topology, ring topology, star topology, mesh topology, tree topology. This is different types of computer network topology diagram. And thank you.